Where does your wood go? Does your wood go there? Huh? Yeah? Does it go there? Vincenza? Vincenza? Vincenza, where's your wood go? Watch. Look. Where did it go? Where does it go? Where's it supposed to go, huh?
Did you just put it somewhere else and she called you back?
Yeah. Does your wood go there, huh? Yeah. Vincenza? Vincenza, where does your wood go? Where does your wood go? Where does your wood go? Yeah? All the wood belongs downstairs, huh?